Hi everyone, this is Prajakta from PrettyCraftyTales, and today I'm going to show you my bag full of journal supplies for my upcoming trip to Mumbai. And then this is my journal, which also I will show you. So I'm basically from Mumbai, but I've relocated to Solapur after getting married 3 years ago, and this time I'm going to Mumbai after a long time, and all of my supplies are in Solapur now. So yeah, I'm trying to carry as less as possible, but it's still a lot. And I'm sorry for the shadow. I tried to keep the lighting as good as possible, but evening was the only time when I could film this video because 2 days were really full of work. So yeah, let's dive in and let's first see this journal. In case I have a lot of background sound, I will do a voiceover because there's a birthday party going just in the neighborhood. So yeah, apologies for that. So these are two charms which I made and put on my journal. This journal cover is from the Black Canvas, which is an Indian shop, and you can find them online. Then this is a sticky note which is coming off from this. So let me describe this journal cover a little bit. It did not come with any pockets. It came with two elastic bands for two signatures or notebooks. But I have added this adhesive clear pocket from, I guess, Muji, and I have stuck some sticker sheets and some watercolor paper here. So there are two pockets, one smaller one here and one bigger one here, and then there is also a bigger pocket here. Then I have kind of made these pockets to go around this insert. This insert is from Felicity Jane, which is almost over, and as you can see I use this journal mostly for traveling only because it is slim and it is lightweight, and I can customize it. So there are two pockets here for some scraps and die cuts, and then there are two pockets here. In this one I have some washi samples, and yeah, all of this comes in one elastic band. Then this is a second insert which I haven't yet started using, and I plan to use this during my upcoming trip. So yeah, this is about the journal. I don't have any pockets here because it will come in the way of writing or decorating, but yeah, let's see, I might put something later. Now let's start with the big bag. It is actually a cheap one which I bought from a local store. Similar one is also available on Amazon, and the first one I bought it from Amazon. That was of better quality, I felt, because this one, as you can see, is already torn here and at the back as well. But yeah, I can't return it and it's still usable. So yeah, let's start with the front pockets. Here I have all the stamping related things. So these are the stamps from Coco Daisy, and I have some stamps from other stamp collection here just for mark making. Then I have this pigmenting pad from Itsy Bitsy, then just a cute coffee or tea stamp, and then of course my favorite black ink stamp is from Versafine. Then I also have this stamping block, and I have another ink pad from Itsy Bitsy. Then these two, actually this one is from my shop, and the mail one, I received it in a Happy Mail and really loved both of these. And then these are some clips to hold my papers in 3 different sizes. It's really tiny. And then yeah, even this one is fully stuffed. So these are my scissors. Then I have 4 shades of Posca paint markers. Then I have one of my favorite pens, Uniclick gel. Then I have a white gel pen by Signo. I have 2 paint brushes, and then 1 water brush, and also this palette knife for gesso. I'm not yet sure if I'll carry gesso because that will be quite bulky, but let's see. Then I have this trusty glue bottle. Then I have this trusty glue bottle from Fevicol. Then I have this this watercolor box by Prima, but some of the colors are from the original box and many I have added extra. Then we will come to the best part at the end. Let's start with the 2 pockets, bigger pockets, zip pockets. So I have this embroidery hook with some fabric, needle and some thread, because I have been wanting to get into embroidery since many days, at least try some cute designs like flowers, but I haven't been able to, so I might try to do that during the travel. And I'll be staying at my home, my parents' home in Mumbai, so yeah, that's convenient. Then this bag, this particular pocket has many color pencils and 1 black one, and these are by Kohinoor mostly, yeah, except for this one which is by Stella. Then yeah, let's dig in. So yeah, these are just some white papers, cardstock paper mostly, and some tiny and bigger clips, paper clips. So this paper is so that I can just doodle something or write something and stick it in my journal, something like that. Then I have just 1 napkin for watercolor, I mean, yeah, the dirty water for cleaning the brushes. Then this one is also from Muji or Miniso, I don't remember. Have they mentioned it somewhere? No, I don't remember, but it's a really cute case. I have it in 2 colors. It has got this main compartment, and then there are 2 compartments here. Okay, so yeah, I have just a bunch of colorful ephemera in this. Then of course I have this Get Messy season sidekick for season of growth as well as for the season of journal. Yeah, then let's dig into the last and the best part. At least that's the best for me. So this is actually a display book, or something you would use to store your receipts or something like that. It has got plastic baggies, like how we get for photo albums. So yeah, this is what I had bought. I'm not sure from where, probably from Mr. DIY. So yeah, there is a pocket here and it has got a slit here as well. So I have just a bunch of printouts which I think I will use during this trip. I'm sorry, these are all of different kinds, so I think I'm going to have fun using them. Then here I have some tissue paper, wrapping paper, just really thin. Then I have doily. I have papers from my shop, from the Weekend Story collection. These are all journaling papers. That's really cool. Then I have a bunch of cut parts which I received in the recent Happy Mail. That video is up on my channel already. If you want, you can see it. So yeah. And then I have just this colorful trim to make the spread a little extra. Then I have these stickers and some cut parts from that same Happy Mail. Not everything is from that same Happy Mail, probably it's from a different one as well. Then these are some Get Messy coupons. It's a printout. I packed everything that I felt was relatable, that I felt that I could use during the trip. Then these are mostly stickers. I just tore out some sheets from stickers and some were just the sticker sheets. This is not there in my shop, but yeah, I purchased some digitals and I have made these for myself. Then again I received this one in another swap. I plan to do two types of both the types of journaling, colorful as well as vintage style, so that is why I packed accordingly. Most of the items are colorful, but yeah, this section is all vintage style. So again, some stickers, one postcard, and these are all vintage style paper scraps, some jute. I did not want to miss certain type of elements in journaling, like some texture, some tactile elements, so I am carrying something from everything. This is just blank. Then again, some scraps, some embossed paper. Then these are washi tape samples. Again, these stickers, this is actually a paper bag and I have just put stickers on it because it is, glassine kind of a bag. So yeah, I thought of doing that. I don't know why, but I just did not want to carry the bulky sticker book, so I did not want to tear the page. These are from different pages, so I just stuck them here. That's something you can try when you are carrying journal supplies while traveling. Then again, there are these sticker sheets, really cute. These two I made using digitals. I think these three I made using digitals, and these two I got in a swap. Again, some sticker sheets. I got this in a swap, probably from Emma, I guess. And then this was there in a packaging. I removed the packaging, the packing and all, to just save some weight. again, as you can see, this is from a sticker book. I got this in an Happy Meal. Then these sticker sheets are from my shop. I'm sorry for the glare. So yeah, that is it. I hope you liked what I packed and how I packed and my thought process behind it. And thanks for watching, thanks for supporting. If you have any suggestions, if you have anything to share, or if you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below. Bye.